Hi, this is Mustang Jones. Got a minute? I'm going to tell you how I wired my Roma louvers. After installing the flasher unit under the window, I pulled the wires through, installed the louvers. Then I routed the wires from the back of the car to the front of the car. Following a communication bus, I tie wrapped the wires. Once I got to the front, I pushed the wires through using a tool from Harbor Freight, and I took the wheel off well as the inner liner for the wheels so that I was easily able to gain access to this grommet and the communication bus that's behind the suspension. I tie wrapped the wires, and then I wired the red and black wires, the black wire to black, and the red wire to the outer signal wire that goes to the front signal light. I use liquid electrical tape. Thanks for watching Mustang Jones.